Fun fact, 1 in every 4 American men has a name ending in the letter N, and the number's only going to get higher over time. Take a look at this graph from a recent Washington Post study. You can see that starting in the 1960s, the final N got more and more popular until the year 2010, when almost 40% of all baby boy names contained an N ending. And if you look at the top 10 male name endings over time, you'll notice that the for the N and N have all recently increased, while many of the others have recently decreased. But the most interesting thing about this phenomenon isn't just that we're getting less distinctive names, it's that it's paradoxically happening because parents are trying to give their kids more distinctive names. The problem is they're all doing this by modifying existing names. For example, after Jason blew up in the 1970s, we saw an explosion of copycat names like Mason, Grayson, and other son names like Carson and Jackson. These were supposed to be special, but they all ended up contributing to the increase in N names. This phenomenon is called lockstep individualism. Basically, parents try to name their kids uniquely, but they do so in the context of existing cultural trends that they then reinforce in lockstep. Sometimes it's intentional, maybe they like the name Jason but wanted to do something a little bit different, and sometimes it's subconscious. Maybe they absorb this idea that N is a masculine name ending and then inadvertently perpetuated that cycle.